Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting real data and a working baseline. First, collect diverse images with varied angles and lighting so the model generalizes. Then label consistently, bounding boxes or masks with clear class ID, because clean labels beat fancy tricks. Once labeled, pick a pre-trained architecture as your baseline, set an initial learning rate and batch size, and run a short training pass to confirm the pipeline works before scaling up. You now focus on training and improving performance. Apply targeted augmentations like flips, scaling, and color jitter so the model sees realistic variation. While training, monitor precision, recall, and MAP on a validation set to detect overfitting early. Once you identify weaknesses, tune hyperparameters, learning rate schedules, weight decay, and class weights, and retrain only the promising configurations. Make incremental changes. Compare results. You finish by optimizing and rolling the model into production. Convert or optimize the network for target hardware, quantize or prune to reduce latency and memory. Then integrate the model behind an API with batching and health checks, and monitor live metrics like throughput and error rates. If issues appear, reproduce failing cases locally, inspect labels and data drift, and update either the dataset or model. A single troubleshooting tip. Start by verifying labels and recent data distribution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.